Hey curl friends, it's Jazz and I'm here to finally say goodbye to this month-old straight hair. My ends are pretty dry and my scalp is oily and grimy. So let's get into this cleanse and get these bouncy curls back. So this Under Hair Care Sulfate-Free Cleanser by Girl in Hair is definitely designed to get the cleanser straight to the scalp, which is what I need. And right now I'm focusing on my scalp and I'm letting it rinse through to the end so that they can get cleansed that way. It's very important to follow up with straightening your hair with a deep conditioner, and new to the Girl in Hair family is their new Ultimate Hydrating Hair Mask for curly and kinky hair. This mask has pimento oil for scalp health, castor oil to promote hair growth, and tea tree oil to prevent inflammation. I love that this mask wasn't super heavy and it wasn't super lightweight, which was perfect for detangling. The slip was great and I was able to get through this step with ease, which normally can take you a long time depending on how long you've washed your hair. With any product, make sure you brush that product all the way through, focusing on my ends specifically because I'm a colored natural, to make sure that they're fully saturated and coated so I can get a great treatment. So I left the mask on for about 15 minutes with heat, of course, and when I'm all fully rinsed out, when I tell you the moisture levels with using this mask were unreal. Like, I could style my hair with just using water. That's how moisturized my hair felt after this. When you're washing and deep conditioning your hair, it's always good to have great ingredients that are infused in your hair to set your style up for success. Any style that you do, if you're doing a great cleanse and deep conditioner that are meant to infuse moisture into your style, you're gonna have great results. So with this mask, I was very pleased. This is a great addition to the Girl in Hair family. I will definitely be adding this into my rotation. Head over to Girl in Hair to get your hands on this mask, and if you've used this combo already, comment down below and let me know how it worked for you.